We are live. What are these ones' lives? Terraria. Alright, I'm gonna practice some C++. Get this out of here. This is buns. Alright. Let's practice some C++ by making Pokemon. Yeah. Quick and easy one. Actually some easy. Something. Alright, actually. Hello. You in count. Oh wait. Welcome to Nebula's C++. Battle sim. A battle sim is simple. Make a string. But before we can add a string, we need to include a library string. Not the library, what am I saying? The header file, I believe. Is this a header file? I'm a complete beginner to C++, so I'm not sure. You want to include string and use string. I'm trying to learn about strings with their sources, include different header files. It is a header file, like when I include some string, however I get errors, what is the proper usage? Okay, so it is a header file. String user input. We'll declare a variable and call that variable. Then wait, what am I saying? User name. We need a user's name. Cout. Hello. User name. There's no F strings in C++, but I think they added that in the latest update, but looks cursed. Input your name. An error. What was that declared? What do you mean? Put username. What? Int main, in function in main, city. Oh, what the? There we go. I'll put my name in. Boom, there we go. I put two STDs for some reason. This is just a coding problem I'll do for Python, I believe, yeah. Alright, so we got our name. Simple inputs program. We'll make functions for this, but no copyright. I'm gonna look back on this and see how buns my coding is. Could I just put choices as that? What? Bro, Bun's website. is even that, bro? This one's not bad. It looks ugly as hell, but if I run it, where's the compiler? Oh my god. An error. I did this, but nothing happens. It just stops. Maybe an else. Is it because... No, that doesn't make sense. Put this into a while loop. Why does it stop? It just cycles to the last one. Why? C++. Still the same thing. Why? Why when I... Is it cause there's no... Oh! This, I'm pretty sure is for memory. I'm not sure. Okay, I fixed it. We had to get input back into it. Now let's make a couple variables so it doesn't look trash. I think we could just like, hold on. Oh my god, this website got everything. Okay, so pop this in here. Name system. enter. I have to put these outside. I learned from that. So easy. Much way easier to do that. Now when we run, we should get simple inputs. Caleb, what would you like? I don't know. I don't really know. It's a bunch of random, so let's go 3. Valid input, because we didn't code that. It's good. Can I type in my name? Okay. There we go. For some reason it wouldn't let me text anything, but it's fine. I got Nebula. And instructions. Simple clean. We can close these. So it looks cleaner. I guess we can start. I'm completely new to C++, so don't expect me to be like insane at learn to Python at school, so I'm gonna try this one language. Today, Sam is learning all about circles and squares at school. Unfortunately, Sam is an alpaca and doesn't have a very good sense of size. As his best friend, we have been tasked with helping him determine the larger shape. Guarantee that one larger than the other. Alright, this is like my coding journey, so constraints? What the hell is this? Oh, we can't like, oh, I can't just on here. Bro, what is one greater, I forgot what those signs were, I'm gonna be honest. Constraints, the first line will contain space and, ChatGPT looking separated integers S and R denoting the side length of the square and the radius of the circle respectively. Output square. Okay, so can I like I gotta screenshot this or something, bro. Hold on. Let's go here. Oh my god, we got so many languages. C#. Python's what I'm gonna use. We put 6 to the power 2, I think. Should be 36, which should be, yeah, square. Then 12, 20, 124, 12 times 120, it's like, am I right? Yeah, 6 to the power 2 is 36, and yeah, okay. Got some comments. Alright, let's start. Alright. So I had S and R. Right. Make that an input. Bro. Do a statement, but like, how do you even start this, bro? Oh, first problem. How do we even do this? So if the power 2, contest. Alpaca shapes, what? We'll get rid of this. If int s find out a way to do this. There's like a video on this. Okay, so he tells you the right radius. Areas output. Power 2. This just finds the inner of this. Wait, this is not what we're looking for.
Calculating area of circle using Python. The formula to calculate input in the radius variable. Second line we assign value of pi. After that, multiply by radius square. Let's run the program. As you can see, our program is working correctly. Thank you. The
This just calculates the area though, bro. Like, how do you like determine? It's just circle equals r times pi and square equals if square. We'll start with if statement. Generally don't know what I'm doing. Can I like run this? Because what if I submit and radius a circle? Oh. That's such a rookie mistake. Alright, let's go. Huh? Radius is circle. Sun. 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 What are you talking about? What about... Wait. Radius of circle formula. What the hell is this, bro? Just give me the simple answer. Bro, hey, so... What the heck is this, bro? Bro, the YouTube video already said it, bro.
Over to the pipe. Calculate area.
R2. So hold on. Let me pull out the big guns real quick. Let me pull out the big guns. Hold on. Yep. Make that a little smaller. Hold on, what? You can see my thing. Why is it black? Can I not add freaking... Very nice. Very nice. I'm just... trying to add something. What about game capture? Any game capture MS Paint? Oh my god, bro. OBS is so annoying. Just do paint. But it doesn't show anything. It shows my mouse, but not freaking MS Paint. Very nice, very nice. Oh, no, it's too big. Where the hell did it go? Alright, is there like a paint thing on here? Alright, so like, what I'm thinking is, we got the radius of our circle, right? It's like pi r squared. So wouldn't we translate into this code to pi times r times r? It's kind of like this. It's kind of like the power. So times that again, right? Okay, wait. What? Wait, area of a square doesn't make sense, right? Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Does that work? Well, let me look at the thing. The area. I'll put. Yeah. I guess I can make this cleaner. Does it want to be like specific? The first line. Alright. I'll just clean it up. That's how you spell square, right? Thank you. Wasn't the best at English. What did I write before? Oh, that's swear. This is good. What are they talking about? What are we talking about? Let me see. Hold on, let me run this. Oh shoot, circle's not defined. Um. Wait, I just gotta change it to this, right? Does that work? Scheisse, please. Scheisse, please. Scheisse, please. Clipped. I got clipped by the thing. What is this? Oh, where'd it go? Okay, I have it. Why doesn't this work? What about this? Wrong. Why is this wrong? Let's try to copy and paste and see if it worked again. Oh, is that wrong? Oh no, your output, radius of a circle. What? Ain't that how you do it? View raw source. Can I like see other people's submissions? All submissions. Chill. Oh my god, bad looks. Oh my god, bad looks. Oh my god. Oh my god, it just shows me. Java. How can I view other people's error? I got an error. Best. Let me input this. Hold on. Let me see how AI would do this, bro. Genuinely. I genuinely want to see how it would do. Yoink. I'll just search up Gemini. Come on, Gemini. What do you got? What do you got for us? What do you? Let's get this out of here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. What do you got? What do you got? To solve this problem, you need... Huh? The hell is this? A list? A split? What? What was our code? This was mine. It gives error when submitting. Oh my god, I don't care about spelling. Come on. What is wrong with my code? Genuinely. Error occurs because the problem input specification dictates that the input is a single line in two spaces separate. Son, use my syntax. What the hell is this, bruh? Where your version fail, multiple input calls, the automatic system sends is one string. Your first line consumes the whole line and tries to convert it into a float, causing a value error. The heck? What is this? What the hell is this? Teach me. I don't want to just copy and paste answers because, like, I I want to understand, right? When you call input, the program stops, waits for the. I don't know what input is. If the judge. Split method. Computer don't know that 62 contains two different numbers. It just uses a string with a space in the middle. The split method tells Python to look for the space and chop the string into a list based on that space. Okay, so we'll turn these two into two separate strings. That's cool. Now that you have index 0, which is the first number, 0, and then we have 1 is the second number, accessing the parts, raw input. Okay, okay. Okay, it's Loki cooking. What the heck? Watch it just do the same exact thing as mine. Or just not work at all. It doesn't do anything. Why don't you do anything? Python ID. It's just the ID. Hold on, let me open up Visual Studio. Is the code like infinite or something, bro? No user input needed. Nothing runs. Yeah, legit, even in VS Code. I guess because you don't need to input anything. It's just the computer runs it automatively. Since you specialize, no further action is needed. Okay, let's check this out. I'll type it out so I actually remember it. Split these two. So we get the raw input, which equals, we make another input, and we split it into a list of S. We need to take those two that one string, and break it into two. Get the raw input, grab its dictionary, switch this to R. Python counts from 0 to 1, starts at 0, not at 1. Same code as last time. Promise you it's rage baiting. Oh my god, you're rage baiting. Oh my god. Oh my god, Gemini. Yo, chat. I don't think Gemini can do problems. The type error you see indicates your code is trying to perform an operation but the wrong data. Raw input equal. If you accidentally try to do math on a simple on the list. Try to do math on the list itself. Squared. This causes a type error. Python cannot literally just change it to an int. Is that it? Freaking. You run, right? Problem. No new line at the end of file. What? Oh my god, today is not my day, bro. Send the fixed program. Bro, what? I did this. This should work, right? Oh shoot, I'm actually slow. Why would you put on here? Wait, don't I already have that? Wait, what? Wait. We literally already have that. You're rage baiting, my guy. Promise you. Oh shoot! Wait. I kept the pie. Alright, let me submit, dog. Sir, let me submit. Yo. Yo, let me submit. Oh my god, do you want me to write this shit out again? Like what? Bro, what is wrong with it? Oh my god, genuinely like... You're genuinely bad. Is it my language? Like... What is wrong with this? A name error means your code is representing a variable that hasn't been defined yet or misspelled. Oh my god, what does this mean? Legit 0 variables now. No problem. I don't care. What does this one do? Data equals input. We split it into 2. Then if s to the power 2 is greater than pi times radius of square, print square, else circle. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Explain the logic. What was wrong with the last one, bro? Genuinely, what was wrong with this? No, not this one, bro. This one, bro. What was wrong with this? It's the same thing, right? I promise you it's the same thing. Log is developed upon input, capture, split, breaks it into two. It converts the string into an integer. Then we get the formula. What was wrong with the last? Literally same exact logic. Literally, oh, look, it's the same thing. Literally. Oh, wait. Legit the same thing, right? The issue wasn't the mathematical logic, it was the syntax and state. When you get the name error or type error in the system, it is almost always because the environment is running a script in a way that doesn't match what you intended. The hidden input. The variable like area inside an else block, but tried to print it outside. Logic Branson didn't define a variable. If handled the calculation, but else didn't. In the second test case, handled that else branch. Okay. Alright. Where am I at? Where am I at? Alright, we did our first problem. One out of whatever the frick these are. Alright. Low key, I never learned split in my life. I did not realize you had to learn other concepts because when I was learning Python, I did not know split existed. So, I guess we're gonna have to ask Google a lot of the methods. Alright. Alright. How long have I been streaming for? An hour! Oh my god. Let's do one more problem, but not too much help. Let's go back to. Wait, what is this? Point range 50. Let's put that to 3, bro. Oh my god. 16 bits. Misspelling? What is a 1? What kind of program? What is this? What is input? The input will consist of a single non-zero integer. The number as presented in the above list. Output. The answer to the question. Your answer will be normalized by changing all uppercase letters to lowercase letters and removing all characters not in. Oh my gosh. Oh. Frick this, bro. Oh my god. Right? What kind of programming are you not? If you write tests, what might you not need? Submit. Is there no example? No example code. Oh, this is a quiz. Every question is worth 1 mark. What is impractical? What is a vessel? What might you need? What comes from categories or examples? The input will consist of a non-zero integer. Dollar sign T dollar sign. The number as presented in the above list. Oh my god. Sample input 11. Shit, what do we even do, bruh? Let's try a different one, bro. Let's try a different one. Let's go for like a. Let's go for another 3. Let's go for another. A random one. Random. Oh. Oh my god. On the first line will be an integer. Bronze, the most important skill in biology. Oh my god. The number of points define the shape. The next n lines will. Bro! Have an input. Oh, 30. What can I. Using the skull lace theorem, the area of this polygon is... Son. Oh my god. Oh my god. No AI this time. I don't know why. Big jump, big jump. Alright, so... You gotta put in the locked in music. So I look like a coder. Alright, but I am. Alright, so what's our freaking shape? Yoink, 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 yoink. Oh my god. What do we got? Yeah, big old line there. Oh, it's a little more steep. I'm gonna just split these. Yup. Alright, we got this shape right here, right? I think I did this in class before. So, we got 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's already there, I'm just doing the freaking thing. 9 to 5. It's what we all have to do when we're older. If you don't code, you'll be working at McDonald's. 5 and 11. It's my height. Actually, no, I'm 6 foot. Alright, so we got our shape right here. Basically, we input a bunch of numbers. We input the coordinates, and it should give us using this. So we input all of these. We're like, we're gonna input all this, and we should get 30. How does that work? How do we get 30 from that? 3 times 11 plus 5 times 8 plus 12 times 5 plus 9. Son, what are we talking about here? Anything? Oh, what the? No! Oh my god! Accidentally did something. YouTube. No. How do I There we go. Can you like? Thank you. And the other one. Thank you. Then I split them. Okay. Submit result. Alright, so first, A equals, okay, so first, raw data equals, no, that doesn't make sense. Raw coordinates equals, input, yeah, so A equals, oh my god, one divided by 2. Let me just, I want to test the code on here. No errors? Okay, no errors, I think. Okay, so 1 divided by 2 times 3. Times 11 plus 5 times 8 plus 12 times 5 plus 9. Bro, this guy, what is this formula, bro? You just put a bunch of numbers and hope for the best, bro. I don't even know. Times 4. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 11, times 12, minus 8, times 9, minus 5, times 5, minus minus 6 times 3. Print A. Holy smokes, it's just like... Oh my god. How about you, bro? This looks nice. Why are they so slow? VS Code, come on. Oh, VS Code. Minus 93. Let me just ask Google. Using turn it into a one-line A equal formula. Python. What the hell is that? Area equals sun. Oh my god. Simply. Why does wait to... Oh, here it is. What the hell? My shoelace formula. What is that guy doing? Shoelace algorithm. Having your code, sir? I don't care about this, bruh. Oh, why is he importing NumPy? Oh my god. Coordinates. Python. Is that serious? This is not what it gave me. How do I just give it this? Just spewing out $signs. Boom, that's all I needed. Yank. Alright, Visual Studio. What is... Oh no, don't give me error. Oh, 8 errors. MP dot... What? Oh my god. Well, what is MP dot? Here's the shit one line you're using. 0 numpy. Why do we use numpy? If you want calculate shoelace. Super simple. Just give me the one line of the formula with no libraries, bro. Okay. What we got? X, Y, oh my god. It's just, if you have a list X, Y tuples called V, here's simple symbol using, assuming X and Y are lists. X equals 3 and 4. Y equals 5, 6. How about you, VS Code? What do you think? N. What the heck is that? Len? N is not defined. Yes, it is. I literally just defined it. Oh. What are you gonna do? 0.0. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Holy smokes. Is this formula? Oh. What? How does... What does it do? Downright products. Oh shoot, my thing actually worked. Yo, guys, lock in. Before I was thinking of addiction. What? Why is that yellow? Okay, look. I was thinking of a dictionary to store all of the coordinates, right? Of the shape, right? But then I was like, no, bro. Because then you'd have to convert this into a list, and then what's the point? So, oh shoot, my camera. We can legit use a list with the stored data. List of the coordinates. And then plug it into the formula. Is that literally what we did here? Points. Oh shoot. Import math. Print area. Visual Studio Code, it worked. But we basically take points data. Shit, what the hell does this do, bro? I just told it to give me the math part of the line. This line codes the area of a polygon using the shoelace theorem. Round the result up to the nearest whole number. Here's the breakdown. Zip points. Okay. Points is the list shifted left starting from the second point. Points adds the first point to the end, effectively closing the loop. Connects back result and iterable of. Oh, uses the data. So, calculates across. Is there a simpler way? Because, like, I see what it's doing, right? It's using the math library and then zipping it. But, like, I think we're overcomplicating it, right? Zip. No libraries. Is there no library element linear? Okay. Hold on, let me test this in Visual Studio Code. Grab the points. Run it. Final area. 30. Oh shit, that actually works. We input the points. Raw area. We do the formula of x0, y1 minus x1 times y0. Then we make a little for loop of x0, y0, x1, y1. Zip it to the points. Then we plus the points. Shifting it. Alright. Oh, nah. Oh, shoot. Why doesn't that work? What? 30. Oh. It only works for 30. Isn't that the point? On the first line. What? I'm so confused. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Isn't that what it's asking for, bro? Bro, even the Big G don't know, bro. I just told Big G. Oh my god, bro. This image is a wrong answer. Verdict on the online juice platform because your code output for errors. Yes, bro, I already know that. No libraries. No library. What is this? Input data. No, you're just getting 0 library. No. God damn, is this problem like? Okay. Kind of get it now. Create an empty list. Create a for loop. And we map it. And then we split that. Oh, we used this in the last one. We split the dictionary, no, the list into two separate strings. And then wouldn't we convert it into an integer? No, it isn't a string. We split those two coordinates into two separate integers, and then we append it to the end of the list. Okay, and then we plug it in. Okay. I think I understand it. Shitty ass comments. Basically, we get the input, then we declare an empty list, then a for loop in range of n and mapping x and y, and splitting the list integers into two and putting them at the end of the list and plugging into the formula of shoelace, and finding final area plus 1, rounding it and printing it. Did I kind of grasp it? Yes, you have the logic exactly right. Here's how. Boom! Understand it. Get the input, declare an empty list, a for loop of mapping x and y, splitting and appending it, yes. Plug into the shoelace formula, find final area, round up, add 1 if there's a decimal. So this just rounds it up for us, and then we print it. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Another problem. I think that's the last problem of the stream. Oh my god. Low key look like a genius now, bro. Alright. Go profile now. Not submissions in the last year. Problems. What is this? Was that the one we did? The most important skill in biology. I want to ask it. In DMOJ, there are ECC and the other one. What are those? What do they mean? Yo, AI Loki helps you understand this, bro. Because, like, you would have to learn every single niche thing in friggin' Python, bro. It actually simplifies it for you. Wait, what? an animal contest. The new image just comprehends to the problem of an animal contest. Alpaca shapes. This is a content series featuring problems with animal themed titles. It's for VMZWC. Often associated with VM7's winter contest or a specific user hosted series. Your image to correspond to the problem. The most important skill emoji, the 16, indicates the year 2016. What they mean in your profile at the bottom of your screenshot, you see a breakdown your total 0.7, 3 and 3. These labels simple categorize your results by contest. Okay. Thought it meant like levels or something, I don't know. So we got 7 points. Contests? Can't be hard. Doesn't look as hard as the last one. Okay, so I see a list. Okay, so the first line, the second line, I'll put 2 lines of first line. Sample input. Oh, what is this? One of them 2, 1, 3, 4, which has 8 value conservative subarrays. Points 100. Let me ask you. Okay. We make a list like the last one. No, for this problem, you do not need to store coordinates pairs like shoelace. Based on the sample input 4, 1, and 2, and input, this is an array construction problem, not a geometry problem. How to handle the input. You still read the input into a list, yes, but the structure is different. First line contains integers then. You gotta map it, then split it. That's a lot of splits, bro. You don't store a list, result, logics to fill result. Key difference is shoelace input equal list is problem, but run me through how to complete this problem. Total subarray is an array. I don't know what the hell an array is, guys. However, looking at the pattern, if any parameter works but the sample output is to one specifically, maybe it wants to avoid something, or maybe the 8 comes from say. What do you mean? Don't you know this stuff, bro? Place multiples of k for what? Bro, this thing's struggling, bro. Total 10 minus 1 equal 9? No. Is it possible the output means something else? Maybe n equal 4 in the same. Oh my god, it's struggling, bro. Must maximize the number of values in this array. Alright. Create a Boolean array to track which numbers 1 and have already been used in the first k positions. Son. make a function of p, n equals length of p, count equals 0, max stack, the minimum stack, empty lists. We store the tuples of value and index. We use a running sum for r in range of n. Update stacks for max and minimum, while max stack and max stack -1 0 less than pr max stack dot pop. What is pop? Max stack dot end of list. The range is divided into segments. Why this is the smartest way? Memory. Okay, I know none of this. Explain to me all these. Like I'm complete. I don't know arrays. Array the whole row of lockers, the index, the number of locker door, starting at 0 element, the item you put in the locker. You have an array. 2, 1, 3, 4. Locker 0, 2. Okay, I get that. A subarray. 2 is a subarray. 2, 1 is subarray. Oh, these are subarray? A subarray is any continuous chunk of those lockers. You can't skip lockers. You have to take them in a row. Value consecutive. Let's test the subarray. 2, 1, 3 from the sample. Biggest 3, smallest 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. The distance is 2 minus 0 equals 2. Does it match? Yes, 2 equals 2. Subarray is value consistent. Now we'll look at 2, 1, 4. 4, smallest. 4 minus 3 is 2. Does it match? No. 3, this is not really good. Goal? Bob gave you the star of the road. The first K lockers. You need to fill the rest of the empty lockers with missing numbers so that the total of the subarray is 4 minus 1. Almost every locker subarray works. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Wait, 4 minus 1 equals 3. If you have a gap, you will fill it with available numbers. The strategy for you. List what you have given numbers. Okay. We ain't ready for contest, bro. We ain't ready for the contest, bro. We ain't ready for the contest. April Fool's Day. Leave the contest, bro. Get me out of this, bro. Is this... First line. Write the number of ways Shrew can order his armies below. I am not using C++. The chipmunk into Pikachu. Pikachu. How do we rearrange the letters to look like that? That's how they did the math. Yo, I didn't stand it alive. Oh my god, these problems, bro. These are not for the weak, bro. Oh. Oh my god. Like, these are apparently easy problems, bro. Oh my god, they're all just lists. They're all just lists. Oh my god. They're just lists. So points. Java, Rata, Ferrata, Lego. Oh my lord. Oh, shoot somebody in the chat. Bro, I was like locked in the whole live stream. I didn't like see no one's chat. Yo, sorry about that. Oh, there's somebody in the chat. Oh my god, bro. Who's this? I'm just talking. Alright. Oh shit, it's like infinite. I like see so many of me's. Hold on, let me try that. I'm just talking. Alright. Oh shit, it's like infinite. I like see so many of me's. Hold on, let me try that. Just talking. Bruh. Hey, don't stick your tongue out. Hey, don't stick your tongue out. Bruh. Hey, don't stick your tongue out. Hey, he can stick his tongue out. He can stick his tongue out, bro. Hey, don't stick your tongue out. Hey, he can stick his tongue out, bro. Hey, don't stick your tongue out. Hey, he can stick his tongue out. Well, I didn't say that. What the hell, man? I didn't say that. Hey, don't stick your tongue out. Hey, he can stick his tongue out, bro. Yeah, come on. Don't stick your tongue out, bro. Hey, what did I just tell you? Well, I didn't say that. What the hell, man? I didn't say that. Dude, just don't stick your tongue out. Bro, what did I just say? Yeah, come on. Don't stick your tongue out, bro. Hey, what did I just tell you? Well, I didn't say that. Are you good? Nobody said anything. Dude, just don't stick your tongue out. I didn't stick my tongue out. What did I just say? I didn't stick my tongue out, bro. Don't stick your tongue out, bro. Hey. What? Are you good? Nobody said anything. Dude, just don't stick your tongue out. I didn't stick my tongue out. What did I just say? I didn't stick my tongue out, bro. Stick your tongue out, bro. He didn't stick his tongue out. What the hell, man? What? Are you good? Nobody said anything. Dude, just don't stick your tongue out. I didn't stick my tongue out. Bro, just don't stick your tongue out. Why are you sticking your tongue out, bro? He didn't stick his tongue out. What the hell, man? I'm talking to you. Are you good? Nobody said anything. I didn't stick my tongue out. Bro, don't stick your tongue out. Just don't stick your tongue out. Why are you sticking your tongue out, bro? Yeah, exactly. What are you saying? I'm talking to you. Alright. Alright, I'm ending the stream. I'm in the stream. All these guys are clones. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, exactly. What are you saying? Yeah, they're NPCs. Bye. I'm sticking my tongue out. I don't care.